Hello and welcome. I've got here a Dexter 625 camper van and I'm going to show it to you really quickly. This is a 636 centimeter long Fiat Ducato vehicle, and this comes with two, or should I say one, if they're joined together, two single beds with a 2 meter length. So it gives, for taller people, that gives quite a lot of space. We've got storage all the way around it, including here a wardrobe, and a wardrobe which can be made even deeper, as this will come out, and indeed the mattress below it will also come out. To my side here we have got the washroom, which comes with a slide out toilet, and here we have the shower, which also features a sliding door, quite good for use when space is lacking. In the kitchen we find a large tower fridge with a freezer and the space for bottles below, and there's also two hobs which are widely spaced out, and a deep sink from the Italian company Karmann. Below that we've got wide drawers. Well, two are wide, this one is not so wide because the sink is there. And the other side, forward facing bench, we've got a large table, and in there we have a wonderful skylight. This is an extra, it's included in the €78,000 price. Kitchen extension. If I come round to the back, I can show you what it looks like here. So you can see that we've got this the partition, we've got space for two large gas canisters, and the storage under both sides of the bed. So there's lots of storage in this vehicle. So it's on a Ducato Maxi. This particular vehicle has also an automatic gear, and it's on the latest Fiat Ducato. Now I'm now at Fulda. In this place, it's the stand of Auto Able service from nearby, which not only sells this vehicle but also sells a variety of others from the Trigano group, including Euromobil and Foster. So I did that in under 3 minutes, and thanks very much for watching, and if you want a fuller video, there's a link below. All the best from me in Germany.